Welcome to Aser TechNova. Today I'll show you the top 5 best AI tools every student should use in 2025. All of them are free and super easy. Let's start. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best AI for writing assignments, summaries, explanations, and study notes. Just ask any question and it explains like a teacher. Perfect for exam preparation. AI tool number 2, Grammarly. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, and writing mistakes instantly. AI tool number 3, Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your study notes, generate summaries, and plan your daily tasks. It's like your digital school notebook. AI tool number 4, QuillBot. QuillBot rewrites paragraphs into simple, unique sentences. Great for making hard topics easier to understand. AI tool number 5, Khan Academy Khanmigo. Khanmigo is an AI tutor from Khan Academy. It teaches math, science, English, coding, step by step, like a real teacher. These 5 AI tools will change your study life in 2025, and I put all the links in the description so you can try them instantly. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Aser TechNova for more weekly tech and AI gems. See you in the next video.